I have noted your comments, particularly about the Man Bridge. And I remember that the last time I was here, the matter of the bridge came up. And I had asked that our people should go and look at it. And I am sure that it is on the basis of that that he made it into the 2026 budget. And because it has made it into the budget, they should go and sleep. We will do it. Let me also acknowledge the thanks about the 19 primary health care centers, the General Hospital for Umunneochi, and all the other areas where we are working, including the schools. The reality is that we believe that this is your government, and because it's your government, we touch you and your people. Where best can we do that other than in your education, which is now free? Some students laid ambush for me as I was coming here, and I had to stop and greet them. They wanted to thank me for taking away school fees for them. Thank you. I'd like to also acknowledge the request made for the electric buses to be plying Umunneochi. I've already decided that. I'm sure you are aware that within the week we received 20 new electric buses, and part of the plan is that the buses will be flying Umuahia to Umunneochi. We also have a new route from Umuahia to Okigwe to Abia State University in Uturu. Let me also thank all of you for supporting the government in ensuring the security of lives and property in Umunneochi. We cannot do it alone. We require all the information which you give. And I can assure anyone who is a criminal, anyone who has a criminal intent, that this place will not contain we and them. And I can assure them that in this fight we will win. So the earlier they give up and relocate, or the earlier they change to become good citizens, the better for them. Otherwise we'll smoke them out. So having said that, let me thank my brothers who are standing behind me, collectively and individually. Some of them spoke and spoke very well. And it's not just about speaking. They have been supporting the government with their energy, their resources, and everything in them. And I want to assure you that as the Lord liveth, Abia will never go back to Egypt. We are going to go from glory to glory. This is a blessed land. It is a state that is blessed with resilient and energetic people. All that the government is doing is to create an enabling environment for you to do well. And we'll continue to do that. Having said that, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me once again thank you for receiving me in Umunneochi. And I pray that God will bless you. As we approach 2027, God will keep all of us, and the glory of Abia State will continue to be restored. Let me also thank the women, the youth, and the elders, everyone in Umunneochi who turned out in these great numbers to welcome me and to receive me in Umunneochi. It's not all the time that people recognize or people remember and organize a reception to say thank you. And because you have said thank you, I also want to say thank you to all of you. And welcoming particularly the new joiners to Labour Party led by Dr. Uche, who we have just received moments ago. I'd like to thank them for the decision to join Labour Party. And I'd like to underscore the point that Labour Party is a bit different from other parties for the simple reason that there is no discrimination. You have as much rights as I have. You joining today and I joining in 2022, we have the same right. So as you have joined, whatever you want to do with the party is available. We don't discriminate. So that is one thing that you need to take away. Let me also thank the women, the youth, and the elders, everyone in Umunneochi who turned out in these great numbers to welcome me and to receive me in Umunneochi. It's not all the time that people recognize or people remember and organize a reception to say thank you. And because you have said thank you, I also want to say thank you to all of you. You have been a great support to this administration. And this administration is yours, and we do not discriminate. What we do in Umunneochi, we do in Isukwato, we do in Opa, we do in Arochukwu, we do in Isialamba North and South. Because we recognize every part of the state as stakeholders in the governance of the state. Children.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Yeah, fine. Thank you, sir.
All right. How is school? School is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Today is a sports day for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope you have not been under the sun for too long.
No, sir. But we have been
Right.
little.
They should not be under the sun for long, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm happy to see you. And because you came out to welcome me, I'll buy all of you lunch, eh? The money to Auntie?
The principal is here.
Where's the principal? Ah, principal. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. How are the children?
They're feeling fine. They're okay. They're happy with their government.
Oh, very good.
Everybody. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Are you not enjoying it?
Also, the PTA chairman is here.
Our action governor.
All right. I hope nobody is paying school fees.
No.
Because education is free in Abia
Yes.
State.
Yes, sir.
All right. So it's good to see you. And please, after their lunch, you can now release them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right.
The action commander. God bless you, sir.
Yes. Their faults. Oh, Makagini Kaiku now run anytime, anyhow. Mamakoye, Alex Otti. So, Juanu, Unakораmu, Kedoya Melody Sochi, Nando Umunneochi, now what I'm behind wet like in her. Mahala, Alex Otti. Ogagakozo. Kedoya Melody Umunneochi, Naharahu, Horahu with Anyalabo, Onyaho. So only saying Umunneochi niile kwere na ị ga-aga ọzọ. Anyị si maka security. Onye wetara insecurity. Onye wetara insecurity. Onye wetara general hospital. Onye wetara for 18 primary health centers. Onye wetara anyị ụzọ na-arụ. Kedu onye ga-agachitere anyị ọzọ? Alex Otti chiri gawa n'aka Jizọs. Asụkwasị m ụlọ nke anaghị gọvanọ anyị. Na isi Umunneochi with the only local government where border with all the other 4 states in the southeast. And I am that you are a strategic thinker. We are asking that you